All right, Logan, turn them on.
Actual install of the 240 watt Titan 2 series with motion sensors.
All right, LEDlightexpert.com here. We wanted to go over the Titan 2 series high bay lights for you. These are UFO high bays for obvious reasons. If you don't know, it does look like a UFO. These Titan 2s are fantastic. They've been around for a few years on their third generation and keep improving. So you've got a tried and true proven light that just gets better and better. To show some of the features of these, you've got these big heat sinks on the outside, lots of fins on the back. You've got big name drivers and great LEDs in here so that you know you've got a light that's going to work and last you a long time. The drivers are serviceable, making these real easy. If you do need to replace the driver or anything in the future, the serviceability on these really helps out. While I've got this turned down, you can see we've got a eye-bolt mount on this for hanging these lights, chain cable, however you're doing it. There is also options with flood brackets. So however you're planning on mounting these, we've got options for you on that. One of the other things with these Titan 2s, as you can see on this light here, in the center section here is a microwave motion sensor. Those motion sensors, better than an infrared. Infrared's only going to read for line of sight. Those microwave sensors will actually go through walls. So depending on where it is, this is going to read motion no matter whatever's around. Those sensors are real easy. There's a lot of adjustments on these on the inside of the sensor. There's a set of dip switches which allow a lot of versatility with these sensors depending on what you're using them for. So if you don't want that light on when nobody's around, you can save the power on that. With these Titan 2s, we have a 100 watt, 150, and a 240. All great options. Great for replacing a 400 watt metal halide or HPS. If you're trying to go brighter, the same, maybe near the end of the life. Other thing I want to point out on these is these are DLC premium lights, meaning that you've got a light that's going to keep over 90% of its lumen output over a year. Top of the line DLC listing right now, so you can't go wrong with a Titan 2, and this series just keeps getting better. One of the last things I wanted to point out with these, along with this motion sensor, you do have a photo cell built in, so if these lights are in an area where you've got access to sunlight, it will also turn off on its own when you've got enough ambient light in the area. So keep those things in mind. Great lights, big money saver, and not going to be a lot coming out of your pocket. Titan 2 is a really good choice.